Hello! Welcome to the very first live stream. I'm really just testing things out. You should see a virtual machine with Ubuntu. Brand new install. I tried cat-say, but it's not installed. Yes, cats can use Linux. We're getting this computer set up for Python development. So we want to make sure Python is installed. Looks like we've got Python 3. And we have a virtual environment set up. PyCharm is my preferred editor, so I'm going to download that and install it. It's already done downloading. JetBrains does have something called the Toolbox. Toolbox app. This is kind of like Steam for JetBrains. It's got all their apps. You can install them all. You can even see your projects. It's pretty nice. But all I want right now is PyCharm specifically. It's been a while since I've done this on Linux. Yeah, you just run bin. I need Z shell. Z shell, please. Create the launcher, because I do want to be able to launch it from the command line. Enter password. I do have a JetBrains account. There we go. Hello. Oh, there's actually somebody here? I did not expect anybody to be here. Hello. Let's exit. Let's make sure it's installed. It should have installed a shortcut. There we go. No, that was the store app. Oh, what's up, dude? Are you... What time zone are you in? It's like 5 in the morning over here. Why am I streaming? I'm streaming to test it out because I want to start doing it more often. Okay, well it didn't install. Oh. I think it needs Python 2. in order to run properly. It's 11 a.m. Where do you live? Scotland? New Zealand? Australia? Somewhere that's not America, that's for sure. It's a program called FaceRig. You can get it on Steam. And it's not just cats, actually. Check this out. Boom. Now I'm a panda. I'm a fucking panda now. Now I'm a wizard. I'm a code wizard now. For real. Oh yeah, this is my StarCraft character. It's called FaceRig. It uses a webcam, and it actually does facial tracking, and it actually watches your face and your eyes and your mouth. And it creates a webcam essentially. Okay. Let's see here. Charm should work now. Cool. It's launching. I love PyCharm. I'm gonna just create a new project, make sure it works. We'll try a Flask one, why not? Flask is a nice little micro framework for Python, HTTP, for web servers. Good for web services, real lightweight. I'm a huge Django fan too, though. Depends on how big your project is. What have you been working on, Avid? Now if I close my terminal, it's going to close PyCharm. Yeah. It should have created a shortcut. Maybe it didn't have Python installed the first time and that was the problem. It had Python 3 only, not Python 2. PyCharm. I'm not working on anything in particular. I was really just trying to test out the streaming. You can hear the music, I guess, right? In the background. How's the volume and the screen and everything? Hopefully it's a good. I'm just setting up a new environment, really. I just installed this Ubuntu virtual machine on a new install. I've got a nice fast SSD now. Let's see, can I pin it? No. Maybe I should just install the JetBrains toolbox. Let me try this. I just want to pin it. Pin to favorites or something. No. Can I get it right from the Ubuntu store? Maybe that's even more convenient. Screw it, let's do that. Let's try it out. Cool, man. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one. Launch. Is it actually launching? There it is. I remembered my settings. Okay. There it is. It's more like it. Add to favorites. What else do I need? I don't really think I need much. I just love my PyCharm. We can open the Kathy project. Let's get some Git action going on. Hello, Inez Chebil. Welcome. You're just in time for nothing. Just setting up a Python environment. Testing out the streaming. It's my very first stream here. Okay, let's open up that Git project. Chatty Cathy. Let's set up a virtual environment. Project interpreter. I want to add a new virtual environment using that base interpreter. Yep, in my Kathy directory there. It's building. Good. It's good. The git ignore should already ignore the VM directory. Yeah. So it's good, it's already ignoring. One nice thing about the terminal here, so if you do, I think it's View, Tool Windows, Terminal, Alt F12. Alt F12, you pull it up, it automatically loads the virtual environment there. So you can do a which Python and a which pip, and you'll see that they're the project interpreters. So that's nice. It automatically does that every time you open a new terminal. So you can quit, Alt F12, open a new one, still there, Control D, yep, it's all good. So then what we want to do is set up .py develop. Not install, because install will put it in the package directory, but develop will create a symlink. So you, every time you make a change and save it, it'll instantly be updated. You can rerun it. Yeah, okay, package requirements, doc python aml install requirements. Go ahead. This is going to do a pip install for me. Cool. Everything looks good. I should just be able to type in Kathy now. And it should run. Beautiful. It's telling me I need to type in channel name and a token. I don't have one handy right now, but it's a good sign. It's all running. It's all good. I can close that project. Let's see. Let's check out one from version control. Git. Let's check out cookbook. Test. Just for good measure. Yeah. Expected that. It's a public one. Shouldn't be any problem. Yeah, go ahead and put it in the PyCharms directory. There we go. This one is way more than just Python. It's got a whole bunch of languages and examples. But there's a big Python section too. All kinds of random examples. Some notes on setting up a pip server. There should be some notes about creating a package around here. Panda 3D. It's a nice 3D package. Check this out. I think Disney is the main developer behind it. They used it for the Pirates of the Caribbean game. Oh, their website got a major facelift. That means they're still putting time and effort into it, at least a little bit. Their tutorial list looks a bit better.
Okay.
Same videos, so.
Interrogate and alchemy.
This is a nice library for 3D and Python. I liked it a lot. Let's see. There's all kinds of good stuff. AML, artificial intelligence, chat. That's what Chatty Cathy's made out of. Now, I didn't write AML, just to be clear. AML is something, yeah, initial release 2001. Relatively old. Depending on what scale you're thinking about, but it won some awards when it first came out. It's still pretty good. Let's see. Bitcoin stuff, price checker. Curses stuff should work. Database, desktop notify. These should work too. Let's try one out. Looks like I need to install GI, which is Python GNOME GI. It's GNOME interface, so it's like a GTK library. Let's see, hold on. Oh, I think I know. You have to do Python apt-get install Python G object. I think that's the one you need. Yeah. That will install the Python packages you need. Okay, I don't know if that's going to be enough, but yeah, see, glib gobject, no handler. Let's do a quick search. Normally I have comments about what packages you need to install. Okay. Let's see. Python 3-GI. Python 2. Okay, it's installed then? Is that it? No, something's still not working. Maybe I don't have the right GNOME libraries installed, period. Yeah, like, on the live GI repository. Pip install PyGobject. That was the other way to do it. Pip install PyGobject. Oh, no pip. Ubuntu. You're such a disappointment sometimes. You were just easy to install. That's the only reason I liked you. I would use Arch Linux, but I just installed it and I wanted an easy way out. Let's make the fonts bigger. Guess they're already pretty big. Okay. Now I can pip install PyGobject. Oh, I think I either need package config, I either need Cairo, or I need all the build tools. I need all the GCC build tools. Well, I've got GCC. And make. Should be okay there. Python 3 GI Cairo. Now will you work? Oh, yeah, look, I got a notification. There we go. Were they all working? Were they all working the whole time? And I was just processing a warning and not even realizing it was working. Too late, who cares? Yeah, so how do you get the notifications in here? Now if I run it with Python 3, I get my notification at the top. If I right click and I run, it still works. I just get a warning. Run it, get my message, warning. only a warning. It's, who knows, Gnome's all fucked up. Excuse me, pardon my language. Gnome has some issues. I'd rather use KDE, honestly. KDE 5. Plasma. Next song. No, I give up. I'm stuck with Gnome. Okay. Notify works. What else is in here? I was just exploring. For those of you that joined, I'm not really doing anything except setting up a new environment, testing out the stream stuff, so any feedback you have on the stream is welcome. Because I look like a cat. Okay. What else do we have here? Discord bot. Discord, there's tutorials on the website. But that's the source code. There's webhooks, which are simpler than bots. They're not as full featured as bots, but they're much easier to work with. More GTK examples. GUI applications with the GTK library. LDAP, networking, some basic TCP client server stuff. Some basic how to generate sound waves. With end sound. What else? Oops, I'm gonna turn this down. Okay, OS. Panda 3D, again, good 3D library. Selenium, spreadsheets, SSH, Ruby, tutorials, notes, stuff, all kinds of good stuff in the cookbook. Highly recommend checking that out. That is https://github.com/devdungeon/cookbook. This is a repository you can check out. It's got all kinds of useful code snippets and references for you. Alright, I will be right back.